So we have 5 stages of toxic love, that is also called as being obsessive with that person. So obsessive love. So stage 1 is you get really infatuated with that person. मतलब आपको उनकी हर बात बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है and you don't try to find the flaws in them. सब कुछ आपको एकदम perfect लगता है because you have this perception in your head that everything is perfect in them. Number 2 is you get really jealous because you are jealous, so you start asking them questions when they're not around. You start feeling their presence when they're not around, so you are continuously asking them questions which are personal, and sometimes you even go as far as being really angry with them, like why did you not answer my text, या फिर तुम्हें बात नहीं करनी होती ऐसे. Stage 3 is after jealousy you develop this really obsessive behavior, like you get obsessed about them. Now when you're obsessed with this person, you will find instances to meet them. For example, you take the same lift that they are taking, or you sit in the same restaurant that they are sitting in, or you get really even when you know they're not giving you that much bhav, you will still follow them and you will be in your delusion because you are now obsessed and you just want this person somehow. And after that is resentment and desperation. So what happens is when you are in that zone, you start resenting that person for not giving you time, when in the first place they did not make their feelings clear to you, and it's all in your head because you are the one putting efforts, not them. So you start being desperate for any measure to get a hold of them. Then you start calling them names, you start shouting at them, or you start being really angry and you start pushing them away. And the last stage is when you address your emotions, that is accepting and letting go, because now you're very clear with your stance that you were really infatuated by this person. You did not even like them genuinely from the beginning to know about them. You were just really in love with this idea of them that was in your head. So yeah, you self-loathe, you get sad, but at the end of the day you understand where you went wrong and you improve on that. And that is what it means to accept and just let it go.